Hello again, you longevity lovers. Here we are again, forest bathing. We're out in the forest. One of the things that I love about the forest is we can engage with our five senses. One of those five senses is hearing. And what I love to hear is the sound of the birds. I don't know if you can hear them, but you've got these high-pitched calls. And they sound so alive. So one of the things I was thinking about was mental health and well-being, and how important it is to just appreciate those little things. One of those little things is really the nature we have around us, isn't it? Is it a little thing? Maybe not. Maybe it's a big thing, but we don't engage with it as often as we'd like, maybe, or engaging with all our senses. Sometimes just to be still and listen. So on the pathway, this longevity pathway that we're on, engaging with those senses, I think, is a valuable human thing to do. And this particular corner that I'm on here, this intersection, seems to be where the birds gather. I don't know why. Maybe there's a little bit of food about. Maybe they're nesting close by. There's a particular tree, well, a couple, more than one tree, quite a few trees actually. But back here, you can see those big, large trees. I think it's an oak here. And there's one coming up here, which is a beautiful specimen. I love the way that the branches reach out. And sometimes we do need to reach out, don't we? So that's the purpose of this little channel that I've got, is connecting with people. Connecting with our senses and connecting with one another and also with nature. So this longevity journey that we're on, moment by moment, day by day, week by week, allows us to delve into seasons. I do like the seasons. We're in winter season at the moment. And so in that winter season, I think it's even more important for us to get out into the light, where we can get some nourishment from the elements. And so I thought I'd just pop this very short message out. Anyone who's thinking, or they're feeling a bit stuck, that road is looking a little bit grey, maybe the skies are looking a bit grey. But when we hear and notice the sound, maybe of the birds, the bright, high-pitched, and those notes, those frequencies that they kind of vibrate at, uplifting. I think they make me feel lighter. I don't know about you, maybe it's just me, but it kind of lifts my mood. What about you? I'd love to know what does lift your mood. For me, I do think the birds are a wonderful, wonderful way of kind of appreciating how they soar through the air with ease. Nothing seems to trouble them, does it? They bend and they shift with the wind, with the elements. And then they're so creative. they build their nests. You can learn a lot from that nurturing behaviour, and also the way they bend and kind of just shift. I love the way that they do that. Just by watching them, you can notice their behaviour, and it kind of makes you appreciate just how magnificent these little friends are. Different colours, different shapes, the birds. So on this little journey, a little bit about the birds, a little bit about mental health and well-being, because it's so important. So I'd like to hear your thoughts. Drop your comments or messages in the channel. The connection is really valuable, and I really appreciate your time in kind of checking this out. The trees, the wood element. Okay, so I'll leave you with that, and I'm going to get on the road here, and we'll see you next time in this longevity channel. Bye bye for now.